anxiety, bullying, as well as physical and sexual abuse are also among the top.
Ang hirap ng mga pinagdadaanan ko ngayon sa school, sa friends, at sa pamilya ko. Nakakalungkot at nakaka-pressure. Hindi ko na alam kung ano kung gagawin ko. Masyado na akong nababalot ng lungkot. Sabihin ko kaya si mama, hindi ko na kaya. Na kailangan ko ng tulong niya. Na kailangan ko siya. Kaso, baka hindi niya naman ako maintindihan eh. Baka magalit na naman siya katulad ng dati. Ay, Rachel, hindi. Alam kong mahal ako ni mama.
Ma? Ano na naman? Mami? Alam mo bang may ginagawa ko?
May sasabihin sana ako.
Ano?
Ano ma, para kasi nade-depress ako. Feeling ko, ang lungkot na lahat.
Ayan ka na naman. Gawa-gawa mo lang yan. Gawa-gawa lang ng mga tao yan. Hindi totoo yan. Depress? Mukha ka waring depress? Lumayas ka nga sa harapan ko.
Wait na lang ba? Tara, may night class pa tayo.
Nasaan yung anak ko? Okay na ba siya? Napaan siya? Anong nangyari? I'm sorry anak, sana pala pinaniwalaan kita. At dapat hindi binabaliwala ang sitwasyon mo.
Our mental well-being shapes our thoughts, emotions, and behaviors. Neglecting it can affect our relationships, work, and daily activities. Prioritizing mental health builds resilience, reduces stress, and fosters positive relationships, enhancing our overall quality of life. Let's acknowledge its importance, promote open conversations, and support those in need. Remember, mental health matters. Take the first steps toward a healthier, happier you.
How to prevent mental health problems? Actually, there's no sure way to prevent mental illness. However, if you have a mental problem, taking steps to control stress, to increase your resilience, and to boost low self-esteem may help keep your symptoms under control. Some steps that can prevent or manage your mental health condition is, first, to pay attention to warning signs. Work with your doctor or therapist to learn what might trigger your symptoms. Second is to get routine medical care. Don't neglect checkups or skip visits to your primary care provider, especially if you are feeling well. Next is to get help when you need it. Mental health conditions can be harder to treat if you wait until symptoms get bad. And lastly, take good care of yourself. Sufficient sleep, healthy eating, and regular physical activity are important. Always remember that prevention is essential for everyone, whether you currently have a good mental health or not.
Benefits of mental health. Good mental health enables individuals to work or study to their full potential, effectively manage daily life, stresses actively, participate in their community, and live a free and satisfying life. A person with good mental health enjoys emotional and social well-being and possesses the capacity to cope with changes and challenges in their lives. The positive impacts of maintaining good mental health are extensive, such as individuals often experience a sense of contentment and a zest for living, accompanied by the ability to laugh and have fun. Therefore, they can deal with stress and bounce back from adversity, finding a sense of meaning and purpose in their lives, whereas flexibility to learn new things and adapt to change, a balanced approach to work and play, rest and do activities. Nevertheless, Self-confidence and high self-esteem are commonly seen in those who have good mental health management.
Mental health matters.
Mental health matters.
Mental health matters.
Mental health matters.